This is the SE30 PTL H-Tank series sump shark. This series is 3-phase electric that has the deep vacuum that CECOR is known for, along with the capabilities of picking puddles up off the floor. Our PTL series allows the unit to be pushed by hand, towed by tugger, and lifted and carried by a forklift. The gallon capacity options of the PTL H-Tank series are 90 gallons and 140 gallons. In this video, we are showing the 140-gallon sump shark model number SE30 140 PTL-H. It is equipped with a push handle, tow bar, fork pockets, our high-capacity F23 filter, lifting bail, suction port, valved discharge port, safety pressure relief valve, pump to tank discharge connection, pump to tank suction connection, vacuum pressure gauge, on-off switch, power cord, hose storage basket, and cleanout door. Each sump shark comes with a 2-inch by 16-foot CECOR heavy-duty suction hose and 3 suction tools: straight nozzle, flared nozzle, and flexible nozzle. A 1.5-inch by 16-foot hose and tools are available as well. The filtering capabilities include our 2.3 cubic foot F23 filter basket and 3 filter media. The filter media are the fine, coarse, and poly, which are all included to give the customer the ability to determine which media works best for their application. Our 1 cubic foot F10 capacity filter and media are included. The SE30 140 PTL-H is just one of many sump shark configurations we provide.